Hello, thank you so much for joining. Once again, thank you so much for clicking on this video and come here to watch, right? So I'm here and today we're gonna be covering a very important grammar topic in English, and that is the use of the third person singular and in the simple present tense. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, let's remember that we have the personal pronouns, which are he, she, and it. Ellos forman la tercera persona del singular en el presente simple. Tengo un video relacionado con eso que lo voy a dejar por acá en una tarjetita. It's all about the personal pronouns in English, so you can click on it and watch it whenever you want to, whenever you have time to do it. So let's go ahead and start with this and see how the verb changes in the simple present tense when it's with the third person singular. So let's see the first sentences. Jack watches TV series on weekend. As you can see, the verb watch, la forma original de watch o la forma base es watch, hasta la letra H, pero luego pasa watches cuando se encuentra con Jack, porque Jack es una tercera persona. As you can see, it can be replaced by he, because he's a man, so can be replaced by he. For that reason, it's a third person singular. So I can say he watches TV series on weekend, or Jack watches TV series on weekend, right? So it can be replaced by he. Then I have in the second sentence, my best friend likes going to the movies alone. So he likes going to the movies alone. So as you can see, likes, why? Because it's the third person singular. Now you might be asking, why the third person singular if I don't have a noun here, I don't have a pronoun? Well, first of all, remember that friend is a word that doesn't have a gender in English. La palabra friend se traduce como amigo, pero también puede ser una amiga, ¿no? Porque no tiene género. Debemos de conocer el género que podría ser él o ella, he or she. Por esa razón lo tengo acá, he or she. Puede ser reemplazado, my best friend puede ser reemplazado por he or she. Y luego diría likes, el verbo like es sin S, pero en la tercera persona del singular, we have to add the letter S. So likes going to the movies alone, I'm sorry. Then in the next one, I have a cat. Cat no es una persona, no es él, no es ella, por lo tanto es un it, ¿verdad? Es una tercera persona del singular que corresponde a un objeto o a un animal. So it always runs after mice. As you can see, runs, no importa que yo tenga acá un adverbio de frecuencia, el verbo siempre se conjuga en la tercera persona. So runs, el verbo run normal, el verbo runs in the third person singular. Laura studies philosophy, but I study literature. This is the base form of study, base form. Termina con y, study, base form. En la tercera persona cambia, we change the letter y by the letter I and add es. Cambiamos la y por i, agregamos es, and it's studies. So Laura studies philosophy, but I study literature. Now, Laura is she, because it's a girl, it's a girl's name, so una dama, so she, ella, studies, ella estudia, right? Now, what would be the negative? As you can see, all what you have to do is add the auxiliary doesn't. Para la tercera persona sería doesn't. Jack doesn't watch TV series on weekend. Él o Jack no ve series on weekend, los fines de semana. My best friend doesn't like going to the movies alone. A él no le gusta ir al cine solo, right? And I have a cat, it. En este caso, como es negativo, ya no tendría sentido decir always, porque always significa siempre. So we delete this one and we say it doesn't run after mice. No corre tras los ratones o no persigue a los ratones. And then Laura doesn't, forma negativa, no estudia, doesn't study. Check that the verb now comes back to the original form, to the base form. Todos los verbos vuelven a su forma base cuando están en negativo. Solo cambia el auxiliar que se convierte en doesn't. So I hope that you found this lesson useful. If so, please don't forget to like it, comment it, share it so we can reach more people every day. Bye-bye now. See you soon.